Come on, that was a fucking terrible call.
The fucking house, what do you fucking expect? Piece of shit that need to fucking be replaced. Told you when we were fucking playing, you fucking mad if you fucking have goddamn they were gonna fucking lose it 2 seconds.
Yeah, more fucking commercials. Tired of these fucking commercials.
Oh, of course, tell fucking them to make your goddamn money. Don't you fucking know?
No, the NFL's not getting paid for these. If so, that's illegal. You don't see fucking MLB doing that.